All right, another way to make money on the side, and that is, do you like pets? Are you good with pets? There's a website called rover.com. You can literally like make an account and pet sit other people's pets, and they'll actually pay you for it. Obviously, it's better if you're in major metropolitan areas, but it's really easy, right? If you ever wanted to be a pet sitter, a dog walker, if you like pets, if you need some cash, if you want to clean some kitty litter, whatever, rover.com, very simple. It's basically like you just go, they meet you, you see that you want to work with these people, this dog, the people want to see that you're trustworthy, and then they'll hire you to sit their dog. And guess what? The first time they hire you, it might be from that rover.com site, and then rover.com site takes a commission. But this is one of those situations where if you develop a good relationship with the people, you don't have to do the payment through rover.com, right? So that rover.com doesn't need to take the full commission. You can just actually just get the people to pay with cash directly or whatever, give you a check or something. But there's no reason that once you get the clients, you can actually just get the clients to just pay you directly eventually if you build good rapport with them and things like that. So if you like pets, if you want to go to the park and hang out with a dog and make money from that, okay, rover.com. Make money like that, have fun, get fit, right? It's perfect. But of course, it's not that perfect because it's like how much money can you really make walking? You gotta be. I think it's like it's not one of those things where you're gonna become a millionaire, but it's definitely one of those things that if you need a little bit of extra cash and it's doing something that's like super easy and even fun, then this is one of the really nice options.